Hey guys, this is Canon Exercise 79, and today I want to do a review on my LED tablets. I purchased these tablets a couple months back, and I hadn't did a review on it. I haven't seen a review on YouTube. And what I purchased is the tablet Skylight by Innovative Marine. I would say it's a well-constructed tablet. I haven't had any issues with it. They've been up and running every day for an amount of hours, and so far so good as far as quality and the material and overall performance on this tablet. I would give it a 10 in my book. The spectrum on it is not very wide on it, but it's a very good setup. You could do your own bracket. I did for my canopy. I have a retrofit bracket that comes with this, which is sold separately. You could actually make this so they could be suspended on a cable. I figured out a way to do that. And also they mount onto the back of the tank, and they also work on a rimless tank. So that's kind of very nice. Their product already is kind of retro, very modern look. These LEDs do have built-in fans on them, and let me give you the specs on it. Let me show you what it is. And it is the model that I have. I want to say it's the right one. Let me see. I have the model 6201. It's the light cycle, and they're daylight. It has 2 moonlights on it, and they're total LEDs is 28 times 1 watt, so they're 30 watts, and it's a 10,000K. The dimensions is 12 inches long by 6 and 7 inches, and I mean they're very good size. There goes the retrofit mounting, which is sold separately, kind of pricey. It's an additional 25 bucks. I thought it over, and I used some wood that I had in my garage. That's kind of what it looks like when it mounts onto the to the back of the tank. It's an aluminum arm, and has a clamp for that, which is included. Now on my tank, the overall growth in my corals has been a radical difference compared to my compact fluorescents. I have noticed growth in my tank, and it just makes the tank look a lot clearer. Very nice shimmer effect on these lights. The overall noise, as far as built-in fans, I would say I would give them from a 10. I'm not gonna say they're poor. They could be pretty loud, but with the canopy, it is not too bad. So let me show you kind of how I mounted mine. Due to my canopy, I don't know if you can see right there, I mounted to the back of my my canopy, and all it is an inch and it's a 1-inch piece of plywood. It was actually pine, and I just drilled 2 holes, countersunk the holes, and then I put I just cut it like around, it's say maybe 2.5 inches, just to bring it down. I don't want it to be flat against the top of the canopy, due to the fact that it has the fans on it. I don't want to obstruct the fans. Each tablet comes with its own ballast. Each tablet comes with its own like a 12-volt cord for the LED lights. Like I said, each one has 2. They're separated. I'm thinking about adding another one to this tank, as it is this very bright. And then I'm using my compact fluorescents to add a little bit more blue to it. Like I said, the spectrum and color is not very, I won't say it's poor, but I like my tank to look a little bit more bluer. These lights are all set up on 3 timers. The daylights go off first, and then my blue antics turn off an hour later, and then my LEDs stay on for like 4 hours. So I just wanted to share with you guys. I don't know if you guys can hear the fans. Not very loud. I say it's smaller. You know, it's a modest noise. It's not too bad. You could suspend these lights if you wanted to off of a cable. You know, you can see I have my den here, and I could suspend them, but I chose not to because due to the fact that this tank is in my den and I sit right here, the light kind of, you know, hits the sides and it kind of blinds me when I'm trying to watch TV. So canopy for me works the best. Coral growth. LEDs do, I would say they do produce growth on my corals. This guy right here is growing, and I'm not even sure what kind of coral it is. My green stars had died and they're booming back. My roster coral, for some reason, I just moved them right now. I did get this piece right here, and I don't know if they were touching each other. It's been closed up for maybe 2-3 days now, so I just moved them right now. But the overall look of the tank, it makes it look more saltwater. It makes the water look clear to me, and it has a very nice shimmer effect. The shimmer effect on the moonlights is, I think, it's awesome looking, and it's a 10 on my book. These lights are very nice lights. So once again, guys, I just want to share this video with you guys, and I hope it's helpful on your selection of LED lights. Like I said, this company the name is Innovative Marine. They're local in California, 15 miles away from my house. So that's great if something ever does happen to these lights. They're within driving distance. So yeah, pretty much that's what it is. And I hope you guys like this video. Give me a thumbs up and hit the like button, guys, and subscribe. Thanks, guys. Peace.